Hi guys, my name is Crystal Adama. I am a landlord, I am a realtor, I'm also a super host on Airbnb, but for the purpose of this video, I'm your short-term host. In today's video, I am going to take you on a tour of my luxury short-term rental. So I get most of my business from Airbnb, but I don't want to just specifically say Airbnb rental because I don't just leave my luxury space on Airbnb. I do put it on other sites. So I do coin it as luxury short-term rental, and this is my business, House of Ada, and for this suite that we're in, I'm going to be showing you the Adiego suite. So come along. So one thing that I want to point out before I show you this beautiful space is that when I was cultivating an idea for this space, it was very important for me to pick out very bold pieces, things that really struck out, that captivated you, that made you think, just basically great looking items, because I knew that my space was not in the prime time of downtown Chicago. So in order for my space to have a fighting chance to compete, which I believe that we're doing pretty well, it was very important for me to pick out great bold pieces. So if you come along and if you look, you will see a beautiful green couch. Now that beautiful green couch is the main focal point of this space. I feel like when people come to the space and they see it, that is basically what they're looking at, that beautiful green couch. And then you see the contrast of those orange couches. It's giving chic, it's giving bold, it's giving beautiful. In addition to those beautiful bold colors, you see the beautiful paintings at the top. So it's giving tribal, it's giving luxury, it's giving tribal, you guys. I literally love how I designed this space. It's just giving everything, and I feel like every piece adds on to the excitement of the guests when they come to view my space. So in addition to that beautiful painting, in addition to that beautiful bold green couch and the contrast of those other colors, it was very important for me to have a specific, just some gold, because who doesn't love gold? So I found this beautiful piece, and I'll make another video of where I specifically found it at, but I found this beautiful piece as well as the black and the gold, really just to bring out the elements of this space. And what is super important to me is I'm really big on detail. Well, I'm fake big on detail. I tried so hard in designing this space. This stuff doesn't come naturally to me, but it was really important for me to make this space really stand out. So obviously we see the gold centerpiece, then we see the gold coffee table for the table. In addition to that, you see the gold lion on this green beautiful couch. And then I'm going to take you to this my balcony area. Obviously we see a black rod, but if you look in the corner, for both of those corners, you see gold. So I really did pay attention to the specific details of this property and really trying to cultivate a space for my guests to enjoy. So I guess I also didn't mention the rug. So if you look at the rug, it matches essentially the centerpiece of the home. You see the pillows, it matches basically that big beautiful vibe that I'm really trying to get my customers to essentially see. So now let's walk into the kitchen. Now, so for this kitchen, I did not want to do too much, but I still wanted it to have its own feeling and its own just presence, so that we're not solely focused on the living room, that when you come into the kitchen, you're also able to enjoy. So when you walk in, a big centerpiece is that painting. So when I saw that painting, I was like, oh my freaking goodness, just because it matches the whole flow of my unit. Like as you see, we see the beautiful orange, which matches and points out the vibe of the couch. And then we have this blue / black. So it just matches the total vibe of my space. And then also I put a rug, you know, just to bring more color into this kitchen area. I always leave a piece that says House of Ada Luxury Short-Term Rentals, because I really want to brand my business so that when people come to my business, they are like, oh, I'm at House of Ada, not, oh, I'm staying at an Airbnb. We're done with the kitchen. It's a very beautiful space. Now let me take you to the bedroom. So now I'm going to take you into the master suite. So come along. So for the master suite, I still wanted to incorporate the colors that we saw in the living room. But to be honest, when you are designing a short-term rental, you are working with a limited budget. And I'll make another video of how much I spent during this whole process, but you're working with the limited budget. So although when you scan the room, I really do love it. As you see, the tribal mark carpet, so it brings a little bit of more design to the space. Also, you see the beautiful gold and emerald green chair, as well as the table. And you guys notice those gold things that stand out on the light stand, as well as the desk. So I would have loved to do more with the space, but at the end of the day, you're working with a small budget. So I'm really limited of what I can do. But I'm not mad with this space. I really love how it looks. People do love it, but when you're designing your own short-term rentals, although you want to do all the things that you can, I knew that I invested a lot of great money into the living room and kitchen, and I know that it gives me great returns. So this space is pretty dope. So let's go on to the bathroom. Now the bathroom, I just love how I designed this space. You guys would actually think that I'm an interior designer or something, and maybe I low-key am. Maybe that's a passion of mine that I may need to explore. But when you walk through my luxury space, everything ties in together. So as you walk into the bathroom, the first thing that you see are the sheets. The bathroom sheets. So you see the beautiful tribal marks, tribal prints that match the living room's vibe. It's very beautiful. It's black. It stands out. If we open up the curtains, you see a beautiful marble area, as well as a great shower head. And I know my guests love it because it's on point. Now, if you also take a look at the rest of the video, say hi to my sister. Hey guys. So if you see, it's just a regular bathroom. We just installed these things today because guests were making comments that they needed more room. And I'll also make another video of how to take criticism and what do I do about bad and good reviews and stuff like that. But this is essentially the bathroom, and I really do love it because I feel like it brings a beautiful, bold presence to my space, y'all. Okay, now let's go into, we're coming to a close, but let me take you to the last bedroom. So the last bedroom features just the beautiful gold prints, as well as the the bed. And then as you guys see that House of Ada item that is there. So that, when people are coming to bed, they're also reading it as well. And if you take a look over there, see the emerald chair, and we see the beautiful gold mirror. I do want to point out that there is a balcony behind me, and so people are able to kind of chill, and it gives them more of a luxury space because they have that balcony that is essentially behind me, you guys. It was a pleasure showing you my luxury short-term rental space. I truly love House of Ada, and I believe in it. I love this brand that I'm creating, and I just really do love it, and it brings me so much happiness and peace. You guys, I'm gonna make so many videos pertaining to this, so if you guys have any questions, or even video ideas, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will curate videos for your interest. But again, my name is Crystal Adama. I'm a realtor, landlord, but more importantly for this space, I'm a luxury super host on Airbnb, and I can't wait to create more content and engage with you guys. I hope you guys have a great one. Bye guys.